Barbara Atewe. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to... just welcome back to my channel, girl, because it's been a while. I haven't really sat down and talked to y'all in a long time, but it's time to relax our hair. Yeah, I gave myself a trim 3 weeks ago, or was it 2 weeks ago? Yeah, because I needed one, because girl, when was the last time I had one? I couldn't tell you. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and let's get this show on the road, okay? We are using the same old Rosai Relax Up. I think I'm not going to weaken it as much as I usually do, yeah? I think we're just going to weaken it un poquito, a little bit, okay? I think, and we got my rink-a-dink bowl. Whoops. We're gonna need more. Oh my God, I'm almost finishing a tub. That's crazy. We're gonna use Old Faithful. I don't know what kind of, it's the Different Feel. Okay. Different Feel Pro Growth Premium Hair Oil. Okay. We're not gonna weaken it as much. Y'all know I don't measure, but I think that's enough. Yeah? Yeah. Oh my God. Oh my God. There's so much going on right now. Actually, let's add more because I'm scared. If I just, like, my hair doesn't burn, so if I need to make it stretch longer, we'll just leave it in longer, you know? My scalp is very dirty, as you can see. Do you see all that white? Crazy. It's not dandruff. It's dirt. Why does my hair feel thin? What is that? What's that? Why does my hair feel thin? I mean, it's growing. I don't know. We gotta steam it. We're doing the works today, babes. We're gonna steam our hair, even though we steamed it last wash day. We're going to do we want to do a protein treatment since we're chemically treating it today? I know you're not supposed to comb your hair, but girl, I don't care. I don't, okay? I don't. Oh, that's a big piece that just fell. It needs to be steamed bad. All right, so we applied it throughout my hair. We stretched it out as y'all saw. Ooh, it's stretching. Y'all see that little curl right there? Okay. I'm gonna head out. What am I? I'm not heading out. I'm going in the shower, girl. My Motions Neutralizing Shampoo is already in my shower dispenser situation because I keep it there because I don't use it a lot. So, and then I'm gonna go in with my clarifying shampoo because I noticed that if I don't use a clarifying shampoo, even though I use a neutralizing shampoo, my head will still be itchy afterwards, and that's gonna piss me off. Okay. And then I'm gonna use the Atewe Keratin 2-minute Reconstructor. As you can see, she's well loved. There's barely any inside. And then a regular conditioner. I'm just gonna use the Design Essentials Almond and Avocado Conditioner. And yeah, the shedding y'all saw is because my hair was in braids and I barely detangled it when I took it out. When I took the braids out. Well, my hair was in cornrows. I barely detangled it when I took the cornrows out. So I'm gonna go wash everything out and then I'll be back to show y'all how I steam it, even though it's basically the same routine, but we're just gonna go throughout the entire process. Okay, cool, I'll be back. Hello. I steam my hair off camera because girl, it's the same process. I use hair mayonnaise, the Hollywood Beauty Tea Tree Cholesterol, my hair growth oil, and Jamaican black castor oil. And I mix it and I let it sit. So we did that for like 2 hours. So now let's do the final reveal. Oh, girl. Happens every single time. She's relaxed. You'll see that? I love that for me. Let me see. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. All my hair is stretched now. I got the cute little ringlets in the back. Let's do a texture shot so y'all can see what's going on. You know, hopefully it's focused on my hair. Beautiful, it is. Okay, so the roots are stretched as y'all see. So I don't have to, what's the word? I have to blow dry my hair, but I don't have to, what's the word? I'm not getting a sew-in, or I don't even know, which is the whole point of this. I don't know if I'm doing a sew-in or, girl, let me moisturize my face. What the fuck? Okay, so I don't know. The whole point of me relaxing my hair, right, was because I didn't know if I was gonna do a sew-in or braids for my trip. So in case I do a sew-in, you know, the hair is settled. So we got a month before I book my appointment and before my trip starts, so we're good. So the hair can, you know, behave and get used to tension when it comes to bringing down my scalp and all the things of that nature. But yeah, this is how it looks. Do I want to do a length check? I'm gonna have to blow dry it because girl, I got work tomorrow. And we're just gonna pull it into a ponytail. So yeah, let me blow dry it and then I'll be back. There's a whole bunch. Oh, I really like this fro. Hold on. I'm feeling it. I'm really feeling it. Hold on. My hair usually doesn't look like this after I relax it. I'm feeling it. Is it because my hair grew? I don't know. I'm feeling it. Hold on. I really wish, I don't know, can I do a wash and go? I feel like I can, but me and gel and all that gunk in my hair, that's not me, boo. Mousse and all of that, that's a lot. I'd rather just leave it in a leaf. Do it just to my leave out. So I think this is what we're gonna do. I got a U-part wig that I made myself from my hair from my sew-in of last year. She's a cute girl. You see that? She's nice and fluffy. There's nothing on her yet. I don't think I want to put anything on her, to be honest. So I think I might just braid it, like all of this down, except for this part. I like to have a right part. So yeah, but look at that. She's a cute girl. I'm feeling her. Y'all see that? She's a relaxed girl again. I need to figure, I don't know. I'm being lazy. I don't want to braid down my hair. I'm sorry. I'm not. I don't like to braid down my hair right after I relax it. I don't. Let's see something though. Like, sir, you pop this on. Hold on. I'm gonna have to do some parting. Where's the scrunchie? Okay. Flip it on. Okay. I just don't want to. I'm so sorry. I don't. I mean, I don't have to. Do I? Let me tuck my ponytail in the wig cap. It's gonna look bulky in the back, no? Or maybe I'll just fluff it out so it'll look more voluminous. There I go. I feel like this is gonna be a lot of work in the mornings before work. I don't know. Is it? Because I usually do this when I don't have to go wake up in the morning the next day. Oh, that's too much on the middle. Like, obviously, I'll wet it and, like, you know, run mousse through it. But do we feel like doing that? No. No, not every morning. I'm sorry. I'm only going into the office twice this week, but still. And then, gotta bring out the edges, of course. I don't know. The more I'm, like, maneuvering it. Do I want to? Do I? I would have to braid it down because this would make me very, very, extremely nervous, even though there's combs in the back. But I feel like the combs are more secure when you have braids, you know? Even though she's not moving, you know? She's not budging. But, you know, just to be secure. You get me? I really just don't want to braid it down. That's my issue. I'm being lazy as hell. Does it look bulky in the back? Does it? I don't know. Like, if I turn my head to the side, do I just have like a huge hump? Or is it normal-ish, despite my hair being blown out? But anyways, yeah, my hair is relaxed, so that was the whole point of this video. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see y'all next time, alright? Bye-bye. We'll figure this out. If I do, you'll see another video. If I don't,